Taking a quick look at some of the articulations of the Beguir Pente, we'll start with the top and go down. With the head, you have some flexibility here. You can do the full 180. With the shape of the head, it's a little bit hard to position it. The neck is a little stiff, which makes it easy to stay in place, but a little bit tougher to move around. The shoulder pieces can go up. They rotate as well, so you do have the full range of motion around. Less so with the arm because the shoulder pads will get in the way, but you can go fairly high up. We've got all the way down, and again the same range of motion forward and backwards. We've got the full 90-degree at the elbow, and the flat going backwards. Looking at the torso, you have some flexibility forward and backwards. And a little bit left to right, not a whole lot. It is harder to get in there to move this piece. For the leg pieces, the legs are incredibly flexible. Full set of splits, you can go higher. Ooh. I mean, it's a look. Future Olympian right here. The backpack, you can decide if you'd like to have these two side pieces opened or closed. So on this side, you've got it closed. On this side, you've got it open. They can also rotate upwards or straight back. Here's a closer look at the shield. The stickers here really catch the light. The square in the middle, or the rectangle, there's also a pair of gray stickers if you so choose to put those ones here. The ones on the outside of the shield can come in or out, so this is fully expanded, but you can also push the pieces in to hide some of those green sticker pieces. I find it's easier to pull them out than it is to push them in. There you go. Shield can attach to the hand, or you can put it on a string, on a wire, and it does come with an additional stand if you want to hold the shield in a distance from the suit itself. So there's a lot of fun you can have playing with the posing. The only thing I wish articulation-wise this suit had a little bit more of was flexibility in the knee joint. Huge shout out and thank you to Plamod, the official distributor of Bandai products in Canada, for sending us over the Beguir Pente to build and review. We're very happy with how it turned out.